Hey gang, super short notes today for Unit 5, Day 3. Just like how we had 5 different ways to prove triangles were congruent, we've got 3 different ways that we can prove two triangles are similar. So instead of our big 5, we've now got 3. First one is angle-angle similarity, or AA. So if you've got 3 angles of one triangle congruent to 3 angles of the other triangle, then you know that they'd have to be similar. You really only have to know 2 of the angles because we know that all 3 angles of a triangle add together to be 180 degrees. So for instance, when I look at these 2 triangles, I'm thinking, oh, this one's 20, this one's 50, all together they should be 80. So to figure out how much angle C is, I would do 180 minus these other 2 added together and get 110. And then by looking, I see, oh, hey, this one's got one that's 110, and this one's got an angle that's 110. Here's an angle that's 20, and there's an angle that's 20. This one, S, has to be 50, because all the angles together have to add up to be 180. So by angle, 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 or really just angle, angle, we would know that A, B, C, not congruent, similar to triangle RST. Second one is side-side-side similarity. So if 3 sides of one triangle are not congruent but proportional to, oh, sorry, that A came out really funky, proportional to 3 sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So instead of checking that the sides are all the same, we're just checking that they give the same fraction. So like 8 divided by 6 simplifies to 4/3. Over here I've got another 8 and 6, which simplifies to 4/3, and then down along the bottom, the larger sides, I've got 12 and 9. Divided by 3 is 4, divided by 3 is 3, which also simplifies to 4/3. So since they all gave me the same fraction, that means proportional. The similarity ratio, or the scale factor, is going to be that number that I got from all those, 4/3. And then my similarity statement would be where I say triangle GHJ, not congruent, similar to triangle MNP. Last one, we have side angle side, or SAS similarity. If 2 sides of one triangle are proportional to 2 sides of another triangle, and the included angle in each triangle is congruent, then the triangles are similar. So remember that included angle means it's the angle that's right in between the 2 sides. So this guy is in between the 2 sides that I have. So I look at these 2 and I notice, ooh, this one's 90 degrees and this one's 90 degrees. They're the same. Awesome. Now I'm going to check out, is the relationship between 2 and 4 the same as the relationship between 3 and 6? Both of those simplify to 1/2. So that would be my similarity ratio. And then the similarity statement cannot be given because these don't have any letters, so we won't worry about that for right now. Here are 2 for you to try. So determine if the 2 triangles are similar, and if so, give the postulate and give the similarity statement. Okay, so on number 1, at first glance you might be like, ugh, they're totally not the same, not enough information, you just know one angle. But hopefully you remember from our congruent triangles unit that these vertical angles are also going to be the same. So now when I look at it, they've got 1, 2 angles in common. So this guy would be, yes, they're similar by angle-angle similarity. And when I go to write the similarity statement, sorry, let me erase a little bit. Hard to see what letters I've got. Hi, kitty. L and V go together. So L, V. K matches up for both of them. And then M and U. Next one. I think, just by looking at it, that it might be side, 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 because I've got numbers for the sides of all those triangles. But I need to check that they're actually proportional to be sure. So 12 is the shortest side on the little triangle, and 42 is the shortest side on the other triangle. I need to make sure that that's going to be the same as, let's see, 14 would go with the medium side over here, 49, and then 20 would go with 70. So I'm just going to whip my calculator out and check to make sure that those guys are all the same. So 12 divided by 42, 0.28, blah, 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 okay. 14 divided by 49, 0.28, blah, 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 okay. And then 20 divided by 70, 0.28, blah, blah, blah. Cool, they all gave me that same number. So that would be my scale factor, 0.285. They are similar by side, 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 and my statement, let's see, these are the two short ones, so T goes with A, U is in between the short one and the long one, B is in between the short one and the long one, and then C and B. Cool, see you in class.